Hello. I'm trying to install the cabin air filter for my GLA 250 2021 model. I got this filter from AliExpress. As you can see, the number there, the part number. How it looks like. It's pretty new. Looks quality. Yeah, this looks good. As you can see, Mercedes Benz department is there. Yeah. So the cabin air filter is located under the front passenger side. And let me see if I can show you guys. It might be a bit difficult to see. It sits somewhere underneath here in the extreme end. Yeah, down this cover. The cover has some I think about two screws. Okay. I took out the screws. So I need to pull down this to reach the filter housing. As you can see, this is the housing. Pull that down. There are two knobs on the side of the cover. And there's another two clip knob to pull down. As you can see, it's down. Then all you do is pull. Now it says driving direction. So this is driving direction. It should be like this, I believe. It should go in like this. That's it. That's it. Thank you for watching. It's quite stressful, but that's how you do it.